Learn English naturally, one conversation at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Real English. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob. Hi, everybody. How are you today?
We're so happy you're here with us. Today, we have a really practical topic. We're talking about saving money.
Yes, money. We all need it, right? But saving money, that's hard sometimes.
It is. So today, we're going to meet two friends, Paul and Emily. Paul wants to buy a new bicycle, but bicycles are expensive.
Very expensive. So Paul has a special method. He uses something called a bicycle jar.
A jar, like a glass jar, J-A-R. You know, the thing you put cookies in or jam?
Exactly. But Paul puts money in his jar, coins, small money. And slowly, he saves enough for his bicycle.
It's such a smart idea. And we're also going to learn about needs and wants. These are super important words for talking about money.
That's right. A need is something you must have, like food or a home.
And a want is something you would like to have, but you can live without it, like a new video game or a fancy coffee.
Perfect examples. Okay, before we start, if you're new here, please hit that like button and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, and remember, making mistakes is okay. Mistakes are proof that you're trying. You're brave.
So brave. All right, let's begin our story.
Okay, so let's meet Paul. Paul is at home with his friend Emily. Paul is really excited because he wants to show Emily something special.
Let's listen to their conversation. Listen carefully. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just try to catch the main idea.
Dialogue 1. First listen. Hey, Paul, what did you want to show me?
Look at this. It's my bicycle jar.
Your what? A jar?
Yes, see? It's full of coins. I'm saving money for a new bicycle.
Oh, wow, that's a lot of coins. How long have you been saving?
About 6 months. Every week I put some coins in the jar.
That's amazing. How much do you need?
The bicycle costs $300. I have about $200 now.
You're almost there. Just $100 more to go.
Okay, let's stop there. How did that sound?
Let's break it down. First, Paul says, it's my bicycle jar. The word jar is important. Can you say it with me? Jar.
Jar. Good. Now, Paul is saving money. To save money means you don't spend it. You keep it for later.
Exactly. Save. S-A-V-E. I save money. You save money. He saves money. Let's practice. I am saving money for a new phone.
Great sentence. Now Emily asks, how long have you been saving? This means, when did you start? How much time has passed?
Right, and Paul answers about 6 months. 6 months is half a year. That's a long time.
It is, but saving takes time. You put a little money away each week, each month, and slowly it grows.
Paul also says, every week I put some coins in the jar. Every week. That means each week, regularly, like a habit.
Coins are the small round money pieces, like pennies or quarters, not paper bills. Coins. C-O-I-N-S.
Perfect. Now, Emily says, you're almost there. This is a really encouraging phrase. It means you're very close. You almost have enough.
I love that phrase. You're almost there. You can use it for many things, like you're almost finished, or you're almost home.
Great examples, Jacob. Okay, let's listen to that conversation one more time. This time, you'll understand more. Dialogue 1. Second listen.
How was that? Better, right?
You're improving already. Good job. Okay, now let's continue. Emily is interested in Paul's method. She wants to know more about how he decides to save for what.
Yes, and this is where Paul explains needs and wants. These are really important words. Let's listen.
Dialogue 2. First listen. So, how do you decide to save for a bicycle? Don't you want to spend your money on other things?
Well, I think about needs and wants.
Needs and wants? What do you mean?
A need is something I must have, like food, rent, electricity. I can't live without these things.
Okay, that makes sense.
A want is something I would like to have, but I don't need it to survive, like this bicycle, or a new TV, or eating at a restaurant.
Ah, so the bicycle is a want, not a need.
Exactly. I want it, but I don't need it. So I save slowly. I make sure my needs are covered first.
That's really smart, Paul. Okay, let's pause. This is so important for learning about money.
Yes. So a need, N-E-E-D, is something you must have, something essential. You can't live without it.
Right, and a want, W-A-N-T, is something extra, something nice but not necessary.
Examples of wants are a new phone, designer clothes, vacations, fancy dinners. They're nice, but you can survive without them.
Exactly. Paul says, I make sure my needs are covered first. To cover something means to pay for it, to take care of it.
So Paul pays for his needs first, rent, food, bills. Then with the extra money, he saves for his wants.
That's the smart way to manage money. Needs first, wants second.
Let's practice. I'll say something, and you decide, is it a need or a want, okay?
Okay, let's try buying groceries.
That's a need. You need food.
Correct. Buying a video game.
That's a want. You don't need a video game to survive.
Perfect. Paying for medicine when you're sick.
That's a need. Health is important.
Excellent. See how it works? This is a great way to think about your money.
Now let's listen to that conversation again. You'll catch even more this time.
How did you do? Great job listening.
Now Emily wants some advice. She's planning a trip.
Ooh, exciting. But trips cost money. Emily needs to make a budget.
A budget. B-U-D-G-E-T. A budget is a plan for your money. You decide how much to spend on different things.
Exactly. Let's hear what Emily asks Paul. Paul, can I ask you something? I want to take a trip to Spain next year.
Spain? That sounds amazing.
I know, but I'm worried about money. How can I save enough?
First, you need to make a budget. How much will the trip cost?
I think maybe $1,500 for the flight, hotel, and food?
Okay. When do you want to go?
In 10 months.
Perfect. So, $1,500 divided by 10 months. That's $150 per month.
$150 per month? I think I can do that.
Yes, just save a little bit each month. Cut out some wants. Maybe skip that daily coffee or eat at home more.
That's good advice. I spend too much on coffee.
We all do. But small changes make a big difference.
Okay, so many good phrases here. Let's break them down.
First, Emily says, I'm worried about money. To worry means to feel stressed or nervous about something.
Yes, I'm worried about my test. I'm worried about the weather. It's very common.
Then Paul says, you need to make a budget. Remember, a budget is your money plan.
Right. And Paul helps Emily calculate. He says $1,500 divided by 10 months. To divide means to split up. Math.
Yes, $1,500 divided by 10 equals $150. So Emily needs to save $150 every month.
Now here's a great phrase. Cut out some wants. To cut out means to remove, to stop doing something.
So if Emily cuts out her daily coffee, she stops buying it. She saves that money instead.
Paul also says, small changes make a big difference. This is so true. Small things add up.
Like saving $5 a day. That's $35 a week. That's $140 a month. See?
Wow, you're right. Small changes, big results.
Another phrase is eat at home more. This means cook your own food instead of going to restaurants.
Restaurants are expensive. Cooking at home is a great way to save money.
Absolutely. Okay, let's listen to that conversation again. Listen for all those useful phrases.
Excellent. You're doing so well. Okay, now let's talk about some magic phrases you can use when you're learning English.
Magic phrases. These are super helpful when you're practicing or talking with someone.
The first one is, "Can you speak slower, please?"
Yes. If someone is talking too fast, you can say, "Can you speak slower, please?" It's polite and helpful.
Let's practice. Say it with me. Can you speak slower, please?
Good. Another magic phrase is, "What does that mean?"
Perfect for when you hear a new word. What does that mean? It's simple and clear.
You can also say, "Can you repeat that?" This means, "Say it again, please."
Can you repeat that, please? Very useful. Let's practice. Can you repeat that, please?
Excellent. Now, remember, using these phrases is brave. You're asking for help. That's good.
Yes, and here's something important to remember. Making mistakes is part of learning.
Absolutely. Every mistake is proof that you're trying, you're practicing, you're getting better.
Don't be afraid to speak, even if it's not perfect. Nobody is perfect.
That's right. I make mistakes in English sometimes, and it's my first language.
Me too. So please, be kind to yourself. Keep practicing. You're doing amazing.
Now, let's go back to our saving money topic. Here are some quick tips for saving money.
Tip number 1. Track your spending. Write down what you spend money on. You might be surprised.
Tip number 2, set a goal, like Paul's bicycle jar or Emily's trip to Spain. Goals help you stay motivated.
Tip number 3, automate your savings. This means have money automatically go into a savings account each month.
Tip number 4, use cash instead of cards sometimes. When you use cash, you can see the money leaving your hand. It makes you think twice.
Great tip. And tip number 5, find free activities. You don't need to spend money to have fun.
That's so true. Walking in the park, reading a book from the library, cooking with friends, all free or cheap.
These are all great ways to save money and still enjoy life.
Okay, everyone, we're near the end of today's episode. Let's do a quick recap.
Yes, so today we learned about Paul's bicycle jar. He's saving money by putting coins in a jar every week.
We learned about needs versus wants. Needs are essential things you must have. Wants are nice things, but not necessary.
We also learned how to make a budget. Emily wants to go to Spain, so she's saving $150 per month.
And we learned some great magic phrases. Can you speak slower, please? And what does that mean? And can you repeat that?
Perfect. Now let's review some key vocabulary one more time.
Save, to keep money instead of spending it. I'm saving for a new car.
Jar, a glass container. I keep cookies in a jar.
Coins, small round money pieces. I have some coins in my pocket.
Need, something essential. Food is a need.
Want, something you'd like but don't need. A new TV is a want.
Budget, a money plan. I made a budget for this month.
Cut out, to remove or stop. I'm cutting out sugar from my diet.
Excellent. Now, before we finish, we have a question for you.
Here's our community question. What are you saving for right now?
Yes, are you saving for a trip, a new phone, a car, maybe a special gift for someone?
Or maybe you're saving for something small, like Paul's bicycle jar. We want to know.
Please leave a comment and tell us. We love hearing from you, and we read every single comment.
We really do. Your comments make our day.
And remember, if you're not saving for anything right now, that's okay too. Maybe you'll start after listening to this episode.
That's right. Even saving a little bit each week can make a big difference.
So, to finish, you're doing an amazing job learning English. Every minute you spend listening, every word you practice, it all counts.
Keep going. We believe in you.
And don't forget to be kind to yourself. Mistakes are proof of courage. You're brave for trying.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps us make more episodes for you.
Yes, and share this with a friend who's learning English too. Learning together is more fun.
All right, everyone. Thank you so much for listening today.
We'll see you in the next episode. Until then, keep practicing, keep saving, and keep smiling.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Take care.